What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.037, down 5% on the day. Same market cap about 258 million. 24-hour volume, 133 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to buy Bit, grab up to 30K in bonuses or Bitget up to 8K in bonuses. Check out my full length tutorials. Email me or sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Gala Games. So we broke down. That's what we've been calling for. Continuation to the downside in our wave 3, which consists of 5 waves. So I think you completed the wave 1. Right now we're putting in the wave 2 pullback in between 0.037 and 0.039 before seeing continuation to the downside in a wave 3. So if we were to break down from here, I can give you a target from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top of the wave 2. And your wave 3 would be 0.0274. I do think Gala will come back down to the 2-cent range, as we've been predicting here on the channel. If we were to come all the way up and break the high of 0.042 and invalidate a wave 2 pullback, I don't think that's a likely scenario. Of course, anything is possible. We've broken down from this head and shoulders on the daily. Technical target 0.025 lines up with our 2-cent target. Still have room to come down with this bearish divergence on the RSI as well as the money flow. Broken down from this head and shoulders pattern, about to print the bearish cross, which will confirm tomorrow of the 20 over the 55. So lots of signals of continuation to the downside. Even if we were to see a bounce in the short term, I think it's highly likely that we're coming back down to the 2-cent range. Beautiful wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, boom, continuation. That's where you look to load the bags, in my opinion. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at for Gala. We've already pushed into our retracement zone. May see a little bit of a higher high in an ABC correction, but we'll look for a rejection in this zone. Actually, would push, it's a wave 2, would push up to the 0.786 at about 0.040. And then see continuation to the downside for Gala Games, all the way down to 0.027. We're currently short Bitcoin and Ethereum. We sniped the tops, making some juicy gains, locked in some profits already. That's coming in at $10 a month. Everything else is free if you sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses. Check out my full length tutorials. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, giving trade signals, all types of goodies at the 10 USD membership. Early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news, member profits. Mahalo alt plays just added to a lot of my positions. $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.